say? You said that.
So those of you guys that plan on becoming doctors in medical field, questions? That's a good question. You should get this right. Else you're going to kill somebody. Yeah, get this right or else you're going to kill somebody. That's so cute. Yeah, you're right. Answer right. Yeah, let me see what you guys got. Okay, some of you guys would be good doctors, some of you guys would end up killing the patients. So put them down, write the answer you guys got. Okay, number 13. What you guys do number 13? Read that one, tell me what the answer is. Number 13. What's the answer for number 13? Remember, I kind of mentioned it. We haven't gone over it yet for class, but I kind of mentioned it in there. You guys can kind of remember.
Okay, acids and bases like 7 or below. It's like an acid or something. Or is it?
Well, he's on the right track. Person's on the right track. Okay, I want you guys to show me your answer. I'm going to show you guys how to get this answer if you don't know what it is. You have no idea what it is. You guys are good at this. Okay, write down the answer you guys put, and we're going to work backwards. I'll show you guys exactly how to answer these questions. Okay, first up, number 13. You guys go ahead and mark the answers wrong that you got wrong. The ones you got right, we're going to average it out. I'll tell you what your little percentage is for your mock test. Okay, 13 says, a solution having an equal number of H ions and OH ions will have a pH of. Okay, first up, I want you guys to take a look at these numbers. I'll ice the front, broke. Okay, this over here. They're saying if there's an equal number, the key word here is equal. There's an equal number of H and OH, the pH is going to be something where it's equal. Now take a look at these numbers. We have a number. What's the range of these numbers? We have a number from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's the range that we have so far of all these numbers. Any one of these numbers is found in between 3 and 11.
7.
Now I want you guys to tell me, if you have an equal balance, if you had equal balance on a scale, where would equal be somewhere on this
7.
scale?
Yeah.
7 will be the closest. Definitely not 3. Definitely not 11. 9. 7 is the one that's closest to 10. So your answer is number 7. You guys see how I came about that answer even though I didn't really know what the question or anything about the pH scale? So if you got it wrong, mark it wrong. That's -1. Yeah, let's just skip around. Go back to the first one. Okay, so all eyes in front, pay attention. Okay, with that question, number 13, just keep in mind, you guys didn't know what a pH scale was. You guys are going to know what it is soon because I'm going to go over that. We haven't gone over that yet in chemistry. But even if you didn't know what a pH scale was, the keywords was equal amounts. Because the equal amount is going to balance, write out your numbers, and see what's the number that's somewhere in the middle. Does that make sense how you guys came about that? Yeah. So technically, you could find the answer even if you had no idea what pH was. Okay, number 1, let's take a look here. The way you guys answer these questions, even if you don't know the answer or the concept, all you have to do is take a look at the keywords. That's going to be your goal throughout the entire tax test, is underlining keywords. Starting from the very, very beginning. Keyword is, you have a fish, you have maximum oxygen intake. That's pretty much your keywords. Now, out of all these four over here, okay, what is an excretory system? You guys know what an excretory system is? Everyone knows what it is? Good. Excreting. What does it mean to excrete?
Get out.
To get out.
To get out. If you excrete sweat, you excrete. That means you're putting out. It deals with urine. No, it's not this. Okay, now, breaking this down. That's reproductive. Does being reproductive have anything to do with oxygen?
No.
You gotta breathe.
It doesn't. Okay, what does endocrine mean?
Come in.
Not exactly. That's a good.
Isn't digestion?
Endocrine system. What's the endocrine system do?
I don't know, but
It's not digestive.
It's on the inside.
Isn't that
It's in the body.
It's inside.
Like this over here. It's in the skin, though.
That's a good conclusion.
when you eat?
Hey, now, let's just take it. Let me just think how y'all are thinking. If you don't know what it is, let's skip it. Let's go back to A. Respiratory. What does that have to do? Breathing. Air. What do you need to breathe?
Breathe.
That sounded about right.
Oxygen. That's the right answer. One is A.
Yeah.
So who cares if you don't know what B is? The answer is A. So one is A.
What is an endocrine system?
Endocrine system deals with your pretty much your hormones.
Respiratory.
Wait, what is endocrine?
I got it right in.
What is it?
Deals with your hormones. And just kind of like the temperature regulation of the body. Okay, next. Next. You guys got to look around. Okay, next one, refocus. Okay, keywords. Looking for keywords. Which of the following describes, pay attention to that. Okay, which of the keywords describe the disadvantage of using solar cells as an energy? Okay, solar is definitely a keyword. Energy source, what else? The biggest one, disadvantage. This is the biggest one, disadvantage. Okay, now let's go through F and J. Solar cells generate large quantities of waste. Is this considered a disadvantage?
Yeah.
It would be. Let's put a check by it. It could be the answer. We have to read everything. Solar cells can be used to charge batteries. Is that a disadvantage?
No.
That'd be an advantage. We were looking for a disadvantage. Cross that out. Okay, solar cells release gaseous byproducts. Is that a disadvantage? Yeah. It would be. Gaseous byproducts, they could not be healthy, you know? That's a disadvantage. Put a check by that. Okay, J says solar cells are dependent on available sunlight. Is that a disadvantage?
Yes.
It would be. Because it has to be daytime in order for it to function. You have three possible answers. Now, if you guys have something like this is how you break this down. You have three possible answers. What you're going to cancel out are the answers that are almost alike. Which one of these three answers are most alike? F and H. Let me tell you why. Because when you say solar cells generate waste, waste can technically be gaseous byproducts, correct? They could be, technically. So these are almost alike. So if you pick one of these, you can't really choose between these two. One of these is the answer, it can't be the answer because they're both alike. So you pick the one that's the most different one. J is the most different. J is the answer. We have to use your critical thinking. Marcus. Okay, so we got number 2 right. Raise your hand. Okay, number 2 right. Good. Okay, another quick little hint over here. I want you guys to take a look over here. If you guys see the word sunlight, take a look at this. Sunlight, energy. Sunlight and energy. Can those connect?
Yeah.
They can. Sunlight provides energy for plants. You see connection there already. Okay, next one. Okay, this is pretty easy. Okay, who didn't get this correct? Raise their hand.
I'm sorry.
What was it? Oh, it's 8.
That's like 2 people.
Yo, do we need to?
Match. Keep. Get the wrong answer.
Any protracted?
I saw one person that put compass.
Who?
Me too, Donovan. It was Donovan.
Yeah, Donovan put compass.
I saw Donovan put compass.
Oh, bro. I was thinking the compass was a magnifying.
I think Naomi's actually closer to the answer than Donovan, and Donovan put compass.
I mixed up the words.
Okay, so just break this down. Little things like this. Little things that will just kind of get you up like this. Okay, first off, what's the key word? One key word. You will pick one key word. What's the key word?
Measure.
Angle.
And draw a triangle.
What is ruler measure? Length. Compass.
Where are you going?
Direction. Protractor. Angle. Thermometer. Temperature. Okay, now let me ask you guys a question. Now listen up, while I the front. Okay, if you guys had no idea what a protractor is, you can still get this correct. You know why?
Why?
Because compasses measure direction, not angle. Rulers measure length. Technically, they could measure angles, but they're known for measuring length. Thermometer measures what? Temperature. Leaving you left with protractor, you just don't know what it is. Make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, number 7. Yeah. Okay, number 7. What's the answer for number 7? Why is it C?
This kid.
That's the main word. There's cones. There's cones. Okay, now, let me ask you guys this. All eyes in front, y'all listen very closely. I'm going to show you guys how to interpret picture problems or word problems. Okay, first off, all eyes in front. If they give you a picture, this is the hint. If they give you a picture, most likely the answer will be somewhere in that picture. Else I wouldn't give you the picture, correct? So first off, let's take a look over here. This first answer says, contains no xylem or phloem. First of all, can you tell this thing has phloem or xylem?
Yeah.
Do you even know what phloem or xylem is?
Yeah.
Produced by spores and gametes. What are gametes?
Spikes.
They're sex cells. Can you even know what kind of this is spores or gametes? No. Okay, this over here. Okay, the key word is no difference between a root and a stem. Can you see the root here? There's no roots, you can't see the root. Is there even a stem here? That's not a stem, it's a trunk. Obviously, no, it's not that. Okay, enclosed seeds located in a fruit. Is there any fruits here? No. Cone is not a fruit unless you eat it. It's not a fruit. Yeah, it's not a fruit.
Animals don't eat it?
Animals, some bears, they eat cones sometimes. Just because it tastes good. You guys ever eaten cones before?
I thought they were eating cones.
Ice cream.
Like that kind of cone?
Yeah, that kind of good. You guys ever barbecue cones before and ate them?
I do that all the time.
I used to try it. Try it sometime. Barbecue cones, get nice and toasty.
You can barbecue
It
it
tastes
too.
like ashes.
No, it doesn't taste like ash. I don't want to ruin the surprise. I want you to barbecue some cones. Try it. By the way, I want to hear you guys. What's the weirdest thing you guys have ever eaten?
Chicken
Cow-
Piglet!
Chicken heart's pretty weird. What?
calamari, baby duck,
Baby dogs.
duck, shark.
Okay, can anyone eat? Yeah, let me ask you guys this. The weirdest thing. Listen up. Okay, in the class so far. Snake legs? Look at the legs from my snake. Yeah, let me ask you guys this. Has anyone eaten something more nastier than Kiara? She says she ate baby dogs.
Dog?
Anyone ate something more weird than Kiara? She ate baby dogs.
What is wrong with you?
Oh my god.
Are you talking about natural dogs?
Baby dogs. Puppies. Is it puppies?
Who said that?
What did you do?
Kiara!
So,
You ate a dog?
yes, but.
You ate hot dogs? I ate a snake.
It's not a dog. Oh, I was about to say, that's a dog. That's pig. That's pig. Some pig. Oh my god, no. No, we never.
Calcium's good.
What do you have that?
No, you throw it on the grill and it's
It comes on top of
yeah, you make it on top.
It's actually
You eat it?
Puppies just
Everybody's supposed
Oh.
no, like it sounds nasty. You try it.
They eat grass. They probably eat it.
You guys like hamburgers? And where do they come from?
But that's the inside. That's the outside.
You named it before you ate it?
They be outside.
You named it before you ate
Inside
it?
their mouth.
Hey, wait, hold on. Kiara. Did you like what they do, dog?
Okay, so
What kind of dog is it? Was it good? You nasty, Kiara. You say yes. It's a dog. I couldn't imagine it was eating an octopus. Ew, I look at those things and the things like, oh, I just can't touch it. I was looking at them yesterday. They're just so gross. They're just so slimy. They live sticking together.
eyes in front, refocus.
I can't do it.
Okay, number 8. This is going to be actually a funny question to answer because some of y'all have got this wrong. You might feel kind of dumb about this one. Yeah, that's alright. Okay, number 8. What's the answer for number 8? I want you guys to write your answer on your whiteboards. Move face down, then I'm going to see what you guys put. Number 8.
I put F in.
I'm convinced on what I should.